try this. Oh, sweet and savoury. Very, very nice. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Braised Cola Pork Belly. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we're going to pan fry our pork belly first. Heat up a pan using medium heat. I have with me over here 500 grams of pork belly, sliced very thinly like this. Okay, just put everything in. If possible, try to spread them up a little bit like this. You want to extract the oil out so that this dish will be really, really nice. Brown the pork a bit, get the fats out, and we use the fats to fry the aromatics. I'm just going to spread them out in my wok because I just want to cook them all at once. Now of course I'll be moving them around from time to time. We just need to fry them on one side or brown them on one side before we turn it to the other side. When they are brown slightly like this, we'll just turn them over. Now some of the pork on the sides, right, as you can see, they haven't browned yet because the heat is uneven. So we'll just remove those that are in the center that has already browned and push the side one down. Alright, keep doing this. Brown them a little bit and I'll show you the next step after this. I've been frying the pork for approximately 4 to 5 minutes and I've rendered out some oil as you can see off from here. Now we just push our pork to one side, add in 100 grams of onion minced, put everything in. Add in also 1 piece of star anise, 4 whole garlic, 4 whole cloves of garlic, put everything in. 2 small pieces of cinnamon bark. Fry and make it a little bit fragrant before we mix it up with our pork. This is a one pot dish, very easy to put together. Once we can start to smell the beautiful fragrance coming out, we can mix everything up. Add in 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine or mi jiu. This will help to remove any porkiness if any. Just mix them up. Now we add in our seasonings. Add in 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Mix them up well first. Make sure they are coated with the sauce. Right, you can see that the color is very pretty now. Once you don't see much of a sauce in your pan or your pot, you add in the other style of this dish. You pour in your favorite cola. Remember, for this dish, right, you cannot use Diet Coke or those with low sugar content. You have to use a regular one. Just pour enough cola to cover the pork. You'll be adding in our potatoes and carrots later, so I'm adding in a little bit more. Don't need to add any sugar because the coke is already sweet. We just need this to come to a boil before we cover it up and let it simmer. As you can see, it's starting to boil. We'll put the lid on, turn the heat to low, and we'll simmer this for between 45 minutes to an hour. But at the 30 minutes mark or 35 minutes mark, I'll add in my potatoes and carrots. I'll see you back in a while. We've been braising our pork for about 20 minutes and it's time to add in our carrots. I'm adding in 240 grams of carrots cut into chunks like this. Put them all in. And in about 10 minutes time, we'll add in our potatoes. I'll see you back in a while. It's been 10 minutes since I added in the carrots. I'll add in my potatoes now. A total of 320 grams of potatoes. I'm adding in the potatoes later because potatoes cooked faster than carrots. Give them a stir. Make sure that the potatoes have contact with the sauce. Now my pork is sliced quite thinly, thus I only need about 45 minutes. For a thicker cut of pork, please braise your pork for about 60 minutes. As to when you add in your carrots or potatoes, just calculate backwards. 20 minutes before the braising time is up, add in your potatoes. 25 to 30 minutes before that, add in your carrots. Put the lid back on and we'll cook this for another 15 to 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. A total of 45 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Oh, it smells absolutely delicious. Turn the heat up to medium and let this reduce without covering. And we'll reduce this by about 1/3. Look at how beautiful this is. You do not need to put the lid on because we want to evaporate some of the sauce. We will only season this with salt after we have reduced the sauce. I'll see you back in a while. We've been reducing the sauce for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Let's just give this a taste first before we add in our salt. Wow, very flavorful, but we can add a little bit of salt. Half a teaspoon of salt is all we need. Put it in, give it a light stir. It's going to be so good. And now we're just going to thicken this up with a little bit of cornstarch solution. Thicken it to the consistency that you like. Look at how pretty this is. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really good. Let's try this. Oh, sweet and savory, very nice. Mix the sauce with the rice. I think we have to hit here with kids. They will definitely love this. Sweet, a little bit savory, perfect with steamed rice, and I believe over noodles too. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you, bye bye. Oh, potatoes. Oh, potatoes very good.